Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how to do 3-point turn in Vic Road driving test. First thing, you need to know what is the 3-point turn. So 3-point turn, where is the street? There is no enough room to perform U-turn or there is no roundabout. So this is the situation where we do 3-point turn. So in Vic Road driving test, there are two type of 3-point turn. One is curb to curb, so you need to do 3-point turn between curb to curb. Other one is using someone's driveway. So in Vic Road driving test, you will get 2 minutes to perform this task. And 3-point turn, when we do curb to curb, so you need to pull over your car on the left side curb, then you need to give a signal right, go to the other side curb, then checking both sides of the road, signals, checking back of the window, and then reverse your car. And the third one, again signal right, and you need to go to the lane where you need to go. Other one is using someone's driveway. So when you're using someone's driveway, you don't need to pull over your car on the left side curb. You just watch out upcoming traffic, signal right, and find the driveway where you need to perform, and enter to the driveway and perform your 3-point turn. So let's start. I will show you both 3-point turn, how to do it. So first I will do using curb to curb. So let's start. Signal right. So let me find this right place. So for the 3-point turn, when you're testing, officer will ask you, he gonna give you the street. He will say, she will say, do 3-point turn on this street. So you are the one who gonna find the right place. So do not perform 3-point turn in congested where are too many cars are parked. Yeah. So let's start turning left. Okay. So if they say do 3-point turn on this street, so after this car is safe, just signal left, pull close to the curve. Now signal right. So I'll wait for any car behind me. So there is a car is coming and is turning. So I just steering right, check, head check, and move to the right. So I make sure no one is coming in the front. So I go close to the curve. Now always put your reverse gear, then steering will go all the way left. You can give signal left, check both sides off. Now before reversing, make sure you check back of there, even you have a reverse camera. So reversing, go close to the curve, stop, gear to drive, signal right, steering will go all the way right lock. Now I'll just do head check, no one there, good to go. So that's the way you can do 3-point turn, curb to curb. So do not rush, you will get 2 minutes to perform this task. So next roundabout, turning left. Let me find the right place, and then we do 3-point turn with the curve. Let me turn right, signal right, upcoming traffic, no one there. So I'm doing driveway one here. So as you can see, at not the right place here, let's go turn left. So on this street I'm going to do 3-point turn using driveway. So I'm gonna find that driveway, signal right, upcoming traffic, no one, go direct to the driveway and do not cross someone's letterbox. So reverse, steering straight, check both sides, reverse, and when your front tire out of driveway, that the time you turn steering all the way left so you don't hit the curb. Now signal right, steering will go right, check, and done. So when we do using someone's driveway, that's the quicker one, because you can use someone's driveway, so you have more room. So these are the difference between 3-point turn, using driveway or curb to curb. So more useful video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now. Thank you.